So we are looking at the difference between and the similarities that Biot and your Coulomb's law, right? Biot-Savart's law. Sorry, I'm pronouncing it bad. So your magnetic field strength and your charges and all of that, right? What are the similarities and differences? So first thing first, we have your dE, which is equal to, yes, what is this? Mu naught, good. Sorry, epsilon naught d cube by r square. That's very simple formula. As of now, it should be simple. While your dB is again a constant, right? And your current in the wire, the length of the wire and the angle aspect and the square of the distance. So all in all, what are we looking at? Look at the similarities. So what can you see? R square, right? And you can tell there's a constant, so on and so forth. For at least now we can tell it will follow inverse square law. And both are, of course, vectors. Both obey superposition theorem, right? So we can add up in a vector form and all of that. Both are long range. Okay, yes. While we have the difference, just a second. While we have the difference in this manner. So field type obviously is magnetic field, and your Coulomb's law is to do with electrical field. Source is current and charge, right? So current is what? Moving charges. And these are just charges. It can be moving or at rest. It won't matter. So the force is magnetic in nature and this is electric. So you can see that we're dealing with charges both ends. So how is this possible that the same thing can produce both? For that, we need to understand a lot more physics. We won't be able to understand over here. Dependency of motion, this kind of an obvious point, yes and no. Direction, it's perpendicular to both the current element and the vector. This is important, right? While this is a pure radially inward or outward for a positive charge and all of that, right? Positive, it's outward. For negative, it's inward. Tesla, sorry, this is wrong. This is not capital letter. And here we have Newton per Coulomb and volt per meter. So this 2 is not capital N. So equation form, vector equation involving cross product and scalar equation involving the magnitude of charges and the distance between them. Okay guys, so these are the similarities and differences.